Volumetric analysis, also known as titrometric analysis or titration, is a quantitative analytical technique used in chemistry to determine the concentration of a substance in a sample by measuring the volume of a reagent, titrant, required to react completely with the analyte. This method relies on the principle of stoichiometry, which states that in a chemical reaction, the molar ratio between reactants and products is fixed. Volumetric analysis is used in various fields of chemistry, including analytics. One analyte, the substance whose concentration is to be determined. It is usually the substance of interest in the sample being analyzed. 2 titrant, titrating solution, the solution of known concentration that is added incrementally to the analyte until the reaction is complete. The volume of titrant required for complete reaction is used to determine the analyte's concentration. 3 titration, the process of adding the titrant to the analyte solution until the 4 indicator, a substance added to the analyte solution to signal the endpoint of the titration. Indicators change color or properties when the reaction is near completion. Common indicators include phenolphthalein and methyl orange. 5 endpoint, the point at which the reaction between the analyte and titrant is complete. It is signaled by the indicator and marks the completion of the titration. 6. Equivalence point, the theoretical point at which the stoichiometrically equivalent amounts of the analyte and titrant have reacted. At this point, the moles of titrant added are equal to the moles of analyte present. 7. Standard solution, a solution of known concentration used as the titrant. The concentration of the standard solution is precisely determined through careful preparation and standardization. 8. Titration curve, a graphical representation of the change in the analyte's concentration as a function of the volume of titrant added. The curve often exhibits characteristic shapes, depending on the nature of the reaction between the analyte and titrant. 9. Primary standard, a highly pure compound that can be used to prepare a standard solution of known compounds. 10. Back titration, a variation of titration in which an excess of a standard solution is added to the analyte, and the unreacted excess is titrated with a second titrant to determine the analyte's concentration indirectly. Volumetric analysis is a versatile and precise method for quantitative chemical analysis, allowing researchers and analysts to determine the concentration of various substances in a wide range of applications, from determining the acidity of a solution to quantifying the concentration of a specific chemical in a complex mixture. Enjoy some classes. We provide you with valuable and up-to-date knowledge about the pharmacy education. We create entertaining yet informative videos on topics such as chemistry of drugs, biochemical reaction, and much more. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon and join our mission to make understanding pharmacy easier for everyone. Like, share, and comment on our videos. We look forward to hearing from you.
Johnson Classes.
The best for best.